Hi.
Yan. And we are live. So, good evening from my side, guys. And hello, everyone, wherever part of the world you are watching right now. But before we go on, let me introduce myself first. My name is Carmi from the Philippines. And of course, I am a mother of three boys, a former OFW for 15 years, that's in Dubai, a full time employee. And so tonight, I am very lucky I have a very special guest. Anyway, this will be my episode 4 of my live session with a fellow digital business owner. She is a teacher by profession, a dedicated mom to her kids, a fellow Filipina. She hails from Isabela. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome a proud fellow digital business owner. Let's all welcome Sis Queenie. Hello, Sis
Um,
Queenie.
Hello, Sis Carmi. And magandang buhay to everyone watching us. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are from. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. And aside from what have Sis Carmi with regards Uh, I am a mother of five with one special child. And yes, I'm a full time public high school teacher and a very, very happy digital business owner.
Yeah. Uh, so, Sis Queenie, thank you so much for accepting my invitation to be my guest tonight. Uh, you know, uh,
It's an
we have
honor,
been in
sis,
this.
and
Yes.
privilege.
Feel free to speak whatever language you want, sis. Tagalog tayo dito, so magtatagalog tayong dalawa.
Okay,
Or if you
okay.
want,
Walang problema.
uh, yes po. Or if you want, ano bang language nyo dyan, sis, sa Isabela?
Ibanag.
Oh,
I
Ibanag, if you
don't,
want to speak Ibanag. By the way, ano ako, sa Ilocos Norte pala ako. So,
oh,
Ilocana.
Ilocano.
Yeah. So, kapag ka gusto mong, if you want to speak on your own language para mas maganda, feel free sis ha.
Oo, sige.
Walang ano dito. Sis, sa live na rin lang naman tayo. Okay. So sis, meron akong mga tanong sa'yo since dito sa ating online business, we are talking about our online business. Gusto
Mm-mm.
ko lang itanong kung do you have products or services that you can offer na in-demand siya sa market?
Oh, yes. Okay. Products and services. Okay, with regards to our digital business, we really do have products. May produkto tayo. We also have services. But then again, since it is our business calls for more of like attraction marketing or affiliate marketing, we do not really promote the products that we have in our digital business. Be- Why? It's because we do not only have one income streams with regards to our digital business. We have multiple income streams here, so we do not rely in one product alone or in one services alone. But when you get into or become one of us, become a digital business owners also, we provide amazing services like coaching, mentorship, regular trainings and workshop that will enable you or equip you with proper knowledge in order for you to adapt. You all know that digital business is evolving very fast. So, with regard in our digital business, you are in a regular training, in a regular workshop, in order for you to adapt to a new trends with regards to digital markets. So those are the things that I will say. There is a product, yes, but we don't literally promote those the products. With what we promote is the opportunity that will likely change your life, okay, for the better.
Yes. Yes, that's right, sis. I agree with you. Alam naman natin dito sa ating business
Mm-mm.
na to, it's all about paid advertising, di ba? And we were
Yes,
affiliated with a company that's operating for 50 years now globally. So,
that's
yun nga.
true.
Yeah. So, my next question to you sis, can you invest your money into your business today and then wait for the return of investment for a while o kumikita ka ba kaagad sa business na to? Meron na ba kaagad ROI?
Okay. So, pagdating sa ROI or the revenue with regards to investing in this digital business is not like this the other traditional business that you know that when you invest, pag may bumili, ayan agad ang return of investment mo. But as we always say, there is what we call delayed gratification, because when you have if you truly have the correct investment of your money, okay, that will give you what you call the long-term revenue that you will enjoy for life, and not only you but also your family and the next generation to come. So, yun lang. So, this digital business requires a dedication, determination, and hard work in order for you to reach that goal, okay, in the business. So, just like most of the business, the it all also depends upon what are your financial goals in life. Okay, is it you want to have an immediate income, or are you planning for a future uh, income security or stability of your finances? So it all depends upon you, but you can do this, you can do it also in this digital business, because as I have said a while ago, marami tayong income streams dito sa ating digital business. So, yun lang.
That's true, sis. I agree with you. Siyempre, in our digital business, the results really depend sa'yo. Kung
Mm.
gusto mo na siyang kumita ng ano,
Mm.
siyempre kailangan mong mag-show every day, kailangan mong you have your hard work, kailangan mong your commitment, your
Mm.
perseverance para magkaroon ng resulta agad itong online business na to. Kasi alam naman natin na it's an online business. Hindi naman agad-agad dyan kikita, I'm sure. Pero syempre kung talagang pupursigihin mo, eh natural, magkakaroon tayo ng ROI in just some have proven results for 3 months, 6 months.
Mm.
I've heard from
Yes, that's
other
correct.
co-business
That's correct.
owners, right? So, my next question to you is, are you committed to your online business? Are you willing to work yung long hours o kaya long days? Especially you are a mom with a special child. So, how do you, paano mo, inaano yung iyong oras sa ating digital business na to? Do you work on holidays or weekend or ano yung ano mo dito sa ating online business?
Okay, so I've been here in the digital business for more than 2 years, but it is only this year that I really focus on doing it. Okay, so yeah, I am committed because I have seen the potential of this business, potential with regards to freedom, most especially financial freedom. So I am starting to build an empire of digital of my own empire in order for me to have that financial stability in the future. Okay, not only for me, para sa retirement ko, para sa future ng mga anak ko, or building also a legacy for the next generation to come. So I really commit in doing it. Mapa-holiday man, right now, I do not mind if it is a holiday, weekends, or anything like that, as long I have the time to do it. Because when you are going to start a business, you have to pour in everything that you need to do in order to build it. Right? Kasi, sa umpisa lang naman mahirap yan eh. When you build it right and you build it with a strong foundation, okay, you will have that goal. You will reach that goal of not only financial freedom but time freedom. So yun ang ultimate goal ko. Yeah. My answer for that question is, yeah, I'm committed, and I do not mind if I work week holidays. I do not mind if I work long hours just to do this business.
Yeah, that's right, sis. Also, yeah, you know what's the good thing about our online business really is the flexibility. So
That's true.
even if you are working like me, I do it only as a part-time kasi
Mm-mm.
syempre I have my regular job. So, I'm just doing it for
Sorry.
sometimes 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, depending on the ano sa aking business. Pero just like what you said, hindi nga niya hinihingi even holiday, even weekends, as long as you are committed, since you are you are giving it as a legacy to your loved ones. Kaya oo,
Mm-hmm.
I agree with you, sis. That's right. So I have another question for you, sis. Are
Yeah,
those
shoot.
around you? Yeah. Yun nga, are those around you going to be supportive on your new online business? I mean, your family, are they supporting you dito sa pag-establish mo ng iyong online business?
Yes, actually they are. They are all actually supportive and me doing this business. Actually, they are around me right now and they keep on watching me and they also follow my page.
Yeah.
And hopefully I'll be teaching my children also to do this kind of business, because this business truly builds legacy for them to enjoy in the future, whether I'm here na or wala na. Ayun, may maiiwan at may maiiwan sa kanila. Ayun lang. And I'm very thankful also. I'm very thankful with for my family kasi even though they do not understand what I'm doing, okay, but they are still there supporting me. Okay, kung minsan nga, they are, because you don't know, right, what when we encounter some setbacks with regards in doing this business, you are sometimes discouraged, disappointed, low ang energy. They are there to push me. Okay, kaya yan. Sige, try mo. Eh, tuloy-tuloy lang. Walang mangyayari pag tumigil ka. Parang ganon. So,
At least, no,
yeah.
sis. At least, sis, you have their back. Their
Mm-hmm.
support is on you, di ba? Ganun naman talaga. Sabi nga nila, if you want to grow or to become successful in anything, the support of your family is very important, di ba? Ika nga. Though my kids nga, oo nga, the business that that we are doing is for a legacy sa ating family. Kasi since, alam mo na, I have 3 boys. So,
Mm-hmm.
minsan, sasabihin lang nila, oh, mami, again, you're going live. Ayaw nilang magpakita sa camera actually. So, di ba nakikita mo sa aking mga posts, normally ako lang, kasi nahihiya sila. Though, supportive naman din sila, pero alam mo, pag boys will be boys,
Oo.
nahihiya.
Lalo na
So
kung
my
mga
next
teenagers
question
na
to you,
yan.
since I have another next question to you.
Alright,
What
go.
advice can you give or share to those who are just starting their own online business? Anong mapapayo mo, sis? As you have already here for uh, some time
Cheers.
now. So, anong
Mhm.
mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Ang payo ko lang sa mga new business owners is keep on learning. Keep on learning. Because you know what, there is so many things to learn about this digital business. Even those who are seasoned business owners, di ba nga tayo, we still keep on learning. and the training is always there for us to be guided accordingly, most especially the with the trends in our digital landscape.
Oh, sis, we have an audience. Hello, sis
Oh,
Nemeline. Yeah, thanks for watching. She's from on Canada. Thanks,
Canada,
sis
yeah.
Nemeline.
She's
Yes.
also an Ilocana, sis. I think she's also from Ilocos.
Who?
Yes, she's
Ayan,
Nemily.
sis Nemeline?
Yeah, sis Nemily inspires me also.
Yeah, me too. She posted a lot on her Facebook page, and I love all the postings, especially that snake plant that she has. I don't know that. Little did I know that it's like yung namumulaklak ba? So,
Oo.
ayun. So, the floor is yours still, Sis Queenie. Go ahead.
Okay, first is keep on learning, and next is keep going. Do not stop. Even if you feel discouraged, even if you don't feel like it, don't feel like going live, or don't like posting, just keep on going. Do not mind your feelings. Kasi sabi nga nila, feelings laging mali.
Yeah.
Tapos, ano pa ba? And be brave. Be brave. Okay? Bakit ka kailangan maging brave? Brave para harapin ang camera. Kasi it took me 2 years for me to face the camera. Nung the first time I faced camera, nervous. Tapos nung second time around, gustong-gusto ko na, di ba? Pero nagkakamali pa rin. So, we always, yun nga, sabi nga natin, di ba? Yung mga pagkakamali, those are the things that teach us the most valuable lesson. Okay? So, kung magkamali ka, nag-fail ka, learn from it. Pero do not dwell on it. Move on. Kaya nga nila. Okay, so what else? I think and also, keep your visions clear in order for you to be motivated every time. Okay, because that is the only thing that will keep you moving, your vision or your goals in life.
That's true, sis. That's true. Oo, sabi nga nila, fear is just on your mind. Ako din
Mm-mm.
noon, sis, sabi ko nga sa'yo, I've been doing this for more than 2 years na.
Mm-mm.
And just recently, when I joined the group, which encourages you to have this like Go Live challenge, doon ko lang din naman na overcome yung aking so yun, tama ka naman doon na during your first live, syempre takot kasi it's your first time, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Ganun din naramdaman ko, just like you, kasi but after the first time parang gusto mo na lagi, you feel like parang hindi na kumpleto ang araw mo if you're not doing yung Go Live, 'di ba? So parang ang dami din na itulong yung Go Live challenge nila on the other group na sinasalihan natin. So thankful ako. Siguro ikaw din, thankful ka sa kanila because they are letting you spread your wings, sabi nga nila. Kailangan daw kasi may mag-ano sa'yo para para matuto ka. So
Yes.
sis, actually, last question ko na to sa'yo. Any last message o anong last na mo maipapayo mo sa ating mga audience, sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon? O sa mga manunood pa?
Mm-mm.
Sa ating mga viewers.
Opo. For those who are watching us, first and foremost, thank you, and we appreciate it a lot for watching us. And ang maipapayo ko lang is check this out. Okay, connect with Sis Carmi because there's a lot of things that you can what you got benefit from this digital business. We are not only, the primary reason why we get into the business is because of monetary reasons, right? But there's a lot of more than monetary unit. We have a lot of benefits, okay, personally, okay, because you know what, hindi kami ganito noon. Actually, I myself, I am not what do you call it, social media person. I do have a Facebook, but yung Facebook na yon eh very boring. Wala akong posting because I do not know how to post. So that is the first benefit that I have with this business, because it gave me courage. It gave me the confidence to to post. Una muna to post and then to go live. O, di ba? It's very uncomfortable kasi na, di ba, when you go live, you are only talking to the screen. You are talking to your own self. So you don't know how to act in the camera. And every time we go live, I go live before, I always encounter mistakes in what I say. And then it refines eventually, because when we keep on doing what we do what when we keep on doing it, that makes us perfect, that makes it better, right? Not perfect. Makes it better. So, and one more thing is, uh, for those aspiring entrepreneurs, okay, why not check this out? Okay, because it has a lot of potential. We have witnessed it. Um, let's say take it for 5, even 10 years. At least you know where you're going. You know what you are expecting from this business. So if you want to learn more about this business, connect with Sis Carmi and watch, take the first step. All right, take the first step in order for you to learn and equip yourself with correct information, not those hearsays. Because there's a lot of hearsays when we talk about business, whatever that may be. Okay, so might as well you are well informed what you are going into. Okay, so check this out. It will be worth your time, worth checking out talaga. So, yun lang, sis. I'm targeting all the aspiring entrepreneurs out there.
Yeah, thank you so much, sis Queenie. That totoo naman yan, sis Queenie. There are lots of yeah, learnings na nakukuha natin dito sa lahat na ata ng first nandito sa
Oo,
lahat ata ng
totoo.
first nakuha ko dito sa online business na to, yung first go live. Just like you, hindi rin naman ako kasi camera shy ako. Introvert kasi. So, dito ko lahat na experience sa online business na to. So, for those who are starting to have their own online business, totoo naman, hindi mo naman ma-reach yung goal mo kung hindi mo itatry. So, this is an opportunity that we are advertising. So, kailangan nila talagang i-go muna, i-try it, let them try it and join us para malaman nila na kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin at kung paano dati, how we are making money here online. Sis Queenie, thank you so much for accepting my invitation to be my guest tonight. I have lots of marami akong natutunan mula sa iyo. Great that you share, yung marami kang na-share na natutunan ko dito sa ngayon. It's been a pleasure and it's been an interesting conversation with you. So, thank you so much. Dahil hindi mo ako maraming salamat. It's my pleasure having you here sa aking Facebook live. So guys, that's all from us with my guest tonight, Sis Queenie. Hanggang sa muli po ulit na aming that I have a conversation with her. So thank you, Sis Queenie. That's all from
Happiness
us,
living.
guys, and see you again next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.